that being part of the program, it's so nice because you absolutely have nothing to lose but everything to gain. You will never be required to pop out money. So if somebody's gonna say, in order for you to be part of the program, you have to pop up 50 rand, 100 rand, whatever money, just know that the person is scamming you. The program is absolutely for free. You are not required to pay any money. You get me? Hey guys, if you are a returning subscriber, a day one supporter, a regular degula, and OG, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hey sweetie pie, welcome. I hope that you will join our wonderful little family by liking, commenting, subscribing, and turning on your notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. My name is Solofelo Pagati. I've been thinking and I just realized something. I realized that I've been posting a lot of vlogs, you know, spend a day with me, uni diaries. It's all about me, and come see what I do, which is not the initial purpose of me creating this YouTube channel. As you can see that the first video on my YouTube channel at this moment is how to become a safety officer. So I just wanted to be a mentor. I wanted to be that one person that's going to plug you guys with particular things that I am well informed about. And there is a video that I did where I was sharing with you guys about some side hustles that you can do as a college or a university student, and the video kind of did great, you know. It really did get some decent views. And when I read my comments, there's actually a guy that commented and said, "Tolu, can you please do more of these videos?" And it kind of hit home because I got to understand that it's not everybody who's interested in watching my vlogs, especially guys. It's not everybody who's interested in wanting to see me cleaning my space, doing laundry, washing the dishes, going to camp. Not everybody likes my vlogs. Some other people, they prefer more personal development videos when they click and come to YouTube. And I, for one, I do like vlogs, but I balance. You know, sometimes I watch vlogs, you know, from other YouTubers that are vloggers, and sometimes I just go straight to Mpumile Dwaba's content. And after reading the comment from that guy who said, "Tolu, can you please do more of this?" I can say that is the comment that actually inspired me doing this video, this particular video that I'm doing today. So on today's video, I will be sharing with you guys about a platform called the Skills Development Program, which is a learnership that one can enroll for. You can enroll at the SDP Learnership Program for 12 months, and within that 12 months, you'll be getting a monthly stipend of 400 rand. 400. Am I pronouncing 400 rand? 400 rand. 400 rand. You'll be getting 400 rand every month while you are part of the program. So all that you have to do in order for you to be part of the program, you obviously have to meet the minimum requirements, and those requirements include: you have to be a South African citizen, you must be unemployed, you must have or own a smartphone, because most of your material or your learning material will obviously be uploaded online, so you need to have access to the internet. And number 4, you need not to be a SASSA beneficiary. So if you are receiving SASSA, you are not eligible to apply. And the last one, you must not be an NSFAS beneficiary. So if you are getting NSFAS, you are not eligible to apply. But let me plug you guys. I know a friend of a friend who is part of the program, and that person is also getting NSFAS. So Mamela, I'm not trying to gatekeep, right? At the same time, I'm not trying to promote corruption or unethical practices, but what I'm trying to say, I know somebody who is receiving NSFAS. At the same time, the person is also receiving a 400 rand from SDP. So I think what the person did, when the person was filling in the form, the person stated Uguti he or she is not receiving NSFAS, and I don't know how, but the program did not do a double check to see if the person is being honest or not. You know, I've seen a lot of people, even if you can go on TikTok and actually search, and you will see in the comment section people saying they were getting the SDP stipend, and also they are NSFAS beneficiary. And guess what? It does not affect your NSFAS. You will still be getting NSFAS. At the same time, you will still be getting your monthly stipend from SDP. So the 400 rand that SDP gives you, it's basically your monthly stipend for you to buy data so that you can be able to have access to your learning material, you know, because remember, when you are part of the program, you are a student. At the same time, you are registered under UIF as an employee. I know it doesn't make sense, but you are part of the program. At the same time, you are registered under UIF as an employee. If you guys have more questions, obviously you can send them an email so that they can most definitely explain, you know, because I'm not working with them, and like I said, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing, and bear in mind I'm also a student, you know, but I'm just plugging you guys. So what you have to know, Uguti, when they give you the 400 rand, they are giving you that money so that you can be able to buy data, so that you can be able to access your learning material. But if you do have access to Wi-Fi like I am, you don't necessarily have to buy data. You can just use that money for something else. After registering, you don't easily get accepted instantly. You don't register today and get accepted today. You can register today and get accepted after a couple of months. Like, it takes a while for one to get accepted. For me, I think it took 2 to 3 months for me to get accepted into the learnership program. So don't register today and think today we're not class, so accepted, you're getting your monthly stipend. No guys, you have to be patient. But I think the reason they take too long for them to accept you, it's because they want to do a background check. Obviously, this learnership program is available for everyone in South Africa. So you can just imagine how many people register a day. And they have to do background checks to see if you are not getting NSFAS, to see if you are not getting SASA, to see if truly you are unemployed, you know, to see if you are truly from South Africa, because you will be required to obviously submit your ID copy. Yes, if you don't feel comfortable submitting your ID copy, then you cannot be part of the program, because they have to verify to see if yes indeed you are from South Africa. And after being accepted into the program, you will then be required to register with LMA. So LMA, it's like another app that they use to put in your funds there, or that's where you'll be accessing your monthly stipend corner on the LMA app, you know. So you're gonna get accepted, and then they're gonna let you know that you have to register with LMA, and the person who will be communicating with you after getting accepted, it is your facilitator or your mentor or your teacher. Not really a teacher, let me say your facilitator or your mentor. So you'll be granted a facilitator or a mentor, somebody that is going to mentor you or guide you. And the nicest thing, Ubuntu, you can absolutely ask those people every question that you have. So if your student portal is giving you a problem, you can just send them a WhatsApp text, because you do even have access to their WhatsApp numbers. You will just have to send them a WhatsApp text, let them know like, hey facilitator, this thing is giving me problems, what must I do? If there's anything that you have to report, you can just also send a text to your facilitator. You literally have somebody that is there for you. You won't really feel alone. You won't feel like, how am I gonna do this, how am I gonna submit? Like, each and every question that you have, you'll be granted a facilitator that will be there to obviously assist you. You know, you will be required to choose a course that best suits you. So you'll be given different courses. I remember there was marketing, and there was also business admin, and I'm not sure which other courses were available, but I for one, I chose business admin because I felt like it kind of sounds okay with me, and it's something that I can work with, you know. I chose business admin. So when I chose business admin, I am completing assessments and assignments under business admin only, because I chose business admin. So with business admin, I am being given learning materials / textbooks, or you know, just some passages that I have to go through, and I have to answer quiz. So those quizzes are more like your true or false, fill in the missing word, match column A with column B, choose the correct answer below, and you will also be given videos. Well, with those videos, you have to go through them and make sure that you remember each and everything that was said on that video, because after watching that video, immediately you'll be asked questions, which are your quiz, and you must pass those quiz, because you can't afford to fail something that you just watched Konamanje. You can't afford to fail something that you just read or went through Konamanje, you know? And you will even be graded at the very same time if you passed the quiz or not, so you get your marks immediately. But after that, there are then assignments. So with assignments, it's like your assignment where now you have to type, like, you know, everything that you have learned throughout that particular topic that you are a part of. So you can complete the assignment and submit that assignment, but you won't be graded immediately. You're not going to get your marks immediately when you are doing your assignments, because now your teacher or your facilitator will have to go through that assignment, you know, mark you, let you know if you got this correct, you got this incorrect, and all of that. But there is not much of a submission due date. I can't say uguti for each particular module you have a particular due date. I can't say that, because I know a person who was able to finish all the assignment and assessments within 6 months of being part of the program, because I feel like she or he had all the time in the world to actually can go through them. And like for the first 6 months, he or she was done with all the assessments, and the remaining 6 months bekasitholela the monthly stipend mahala. So if you do have the time, you can just like every day like go through your study materials, read, complete your quiz, do your assignment, submit the following day, kanjalo 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 kanjalo. Now whenever you can submit, you can submit, and whenever you can't submit, it's fine. You can still do it the following week, the following day, the following month. It's not really a train smash. That's the nicest thing about being part of the program. And I can say that being part of the program, it's so nice because you absolutely have nothing to lose but everything to gain, because they are not taking anything away from you. You are actually the one that's gonna gain so much knowledge, you know, from being part of the program. Because remember, you just joined, there was no joining fee, you did not have to recruit anyone. You literally joined from the comfort of your home. You don't have to submit documents anywhere else. So everything that's going to take place under this program is strictly going to be online. You will never be required to go submit anything. You will never be required to pop out money. So if somebody's gonna say, in order for you to be part of the program, you have to pop up 50 rand, 100 rand, whatever money, just know that the person is scamming you. The program is absolutely for free. You are not required to pay any money. You get me? You're not supposed to pay any money, and you're not supposed to go submit a document. Everything is absolutely going to take place online. Like I say, I've been part of the program. I've been submitting, doing my work online, strictly online. There hasn't been any instances where I have to pop out money, where I have to go submit my assignment for whatever reasons. No, everything has been done online, and every month, 15, I do get my 400 rands on my LMA app, and I just transfer it to my Capcut account. And after being part of the program, you are also going to get the certificate, which is equivalent to NQF4, that you can use when you are job hunting, or that you can add on your CV. And you can also go claim for your UIF. Remember, I said you are a student, yes, but you are also registered as an employee under UIF. So after 12 months of you doing the program, you can go claim for your UIF compensation, which I know a lot of people have been getting it. If you can go on YouTube and on TikTok and on Facebook, specifically Facebook, and search for SDP, you will find a lot of group chats, and in those group chats you will find legit people talking and even sharing screenshots to say, I've been part of the SDP program, and after 12 months I went to UIF, I claimed, and I received my money. They received money in different ranges, but I know it ranges from 5,000 going up. So after you completing your 12 months of being part of the program, you can just get your from 5,000 going up, depending uguti have you worked before, you know, how does your UIF stands like. So you can see it's basically SDP looking out for unemployed, you know, people in South Africa, you know, to say, come, let's develop you, let's give you a skill, you know, let's help you, you know, let's be there for you, because they understand how frustrating job hunting is. They understand the high rate of unemployment here in South Africa. So yeah guys, you can absolutely join the program. You have absolutely nothing to lose but everything to gain. I for one, I am part of the program, and it has been treating me quite well. I don't have any complaints. So yeah guys, this is me plugging you and sharing with you guys. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. and everything that has been said on this video. It was basically me and my experience. So let me know what you think down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And like I said, I'm going to leave everything on the description box, so if you want to be part of the program, you can just join using the link. And if you have any other questions that I might not be able to answer, please do email them. I'm also going to leave their email on my description box. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on my next video, and bye.